crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. Welcome back to my channel. Before I do the quick tutorial on how I make a tear ruler out of a plastic dollar store ruler, I just wanted to show you a few things that I picked up today. I went to Dollarama and HomeSense when I was running my errands today. And I picked this up. It's just some baker's twine with, ooh, sorry about that. That was my crazy cat, Willow. I like the spool. Well, I like the baker's twine too, but I really like the spool. So I got this. I forget how much I paid. It was either $6.99 or $7.99. And I got this with pom-pom trim. And this was $7.99 from HomeSense. And I got this for $6.99 from HomeSense, and it's just a decorative ribbon. It looks kind of vintagey. And then I just thought this was really cute. It's a wooden tree on a stand, and it's got all different kinds of trim wrapped around it that I can use for crafting. Just thought that was cute. And this was $12.99, 3 yards each. And I got some napkins at HomeSense. I find on the island it's a little hard to find decorative napkins, nice ones. I don't like the dollar store ones. It's not very good quality. And I find a lot at HomeSense and Marshall's. So I got these at HomeSense. And this one was $4.99. And it's just really cute. Snowman and a deer and birds. And then this vintage deer. Thought this was really cute. And this was $4.99. You get 40. The other one is, how many? Doesn't say, but it looks like it's more than 40. Yeah, it's thicker, so it's definitely more than 40. And then I thought this one was really pretty. And this one was $6.99. And you get 21. No, you don't get 21. That's 21 by 11 centimeters. It's a lot, though. You get a lot. So yeah, these will be fun to decoupage with. And then I didn't go to Dollar Tree today. I went to Dollarama, which we have here on the island. And I picked these up for the slow stitch. I thought this would be really nice linen fabric. 30 by 90 centimeters for $1.50. And I picked up 5 of them. They had more, but I thought I would start with 5. And I'm going to use these for the slow stitching pages. And then I got this wooden box for $3 that I'm going to finish. I'm going to do something with it, and you could put a picture in it. And it's a magnet. And I'll put something in it. Maybe some beads or something for the slow stitch project. I thought it was pretty cool. And I got this. Was $3.50 to hold my my plastic my plastic floss that I'm going to use for the slow stitching. I just need to get some plastic bobbins, and then I can wind all my floss around. But I thought that was a good price because I saw them on Amazon. They were more than $3.50. And they had a smaller size too. Let's see, I got these beads, seed beads, and a little bit bigger for $2. And you get 2 seed beads, one in purple and one in green. They had different colors too, different color sets that you could get. And then the bigger beads are green, white, pink, and purple. So I thought that would be fun to use. And then I got these craft sequins. I'm not really liking the hot pink, but I think I'll use these colors. I also have another pack somewhere of some turquoises that I got from Dollarama. And then I got this tablecloth. It's nice material that I can use for Christmas projects. Probably put it away for next year. So that's that. And then the last thing that I got were some rulers. And I'm going to show you quickly. It doesn't take long at all how I do it. I got this one that was $2. I like the big clear ones that they have at Dollar Tree, but I didn't make it over to Dollar Tree. It's a little bit further away from me, and I didn't make it out there. So I got this, which actually I like. Let's open it up. And then I got these cheaper ones. They bend though, so I don't know how they're going to be. But these were only $1, 3 for $1. So I thought I would make a tear ruler from both and see how they work. See how it works. The clear one that I get from Dollar Tree is great. Works great. It's just I lost it. I don't know what I did with it. I think I threw it out. But this is weird. But I think it'll be good because, you know, I can hold on to it while I tear. I'll take this out. Take these things out. Okay, so all you need is a cheap plastic roller. You can use, you can do one side with an iron, which I might do. But the other one that I did, I just used a utility knife. And I just cut. This one's definitely thicker and harder to cut than, but see how that cut out like that? And you just do this all the way down the side. You do as much as you want. But it gives you a nice tear edge. Just be careful with your utility knife, of course. So I'll try to tear a piece of paper just to show you how it works. And again, you can cut as much as you want. I'll probably go in and do more, but just to give you an idea. See, it gives you a nice tear edge. So that's the thicker one. And I'll do the thinner one. This is more like the Dollar Tree one, although the Dollar Tree one is a little thicker. It doesn't bend as much. But this definitely cuts easier. Someone up my nose. Alright, so let's try this one out. But that's how quick and easy it is. That one tears nice too. So yeah, just play around with it. Do as much and as deep as you want. Try out with a hot iron. Use a craft iron, not one that you use for your clothes. And just kind of touch the iron to make little indentations. I think it's going to make more bigger, smoother edges. I much prefer this sharper edge. So yeah, give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this short video. And have a great rest of your day, great weekend, and until the next video, stay safe, be well, and bye-bye, friends.